Unrestricted land, usable pasture, forest access, and complete privacy. This craftsman home checks boxes most buyers never find in one place. Tucked away behind a long, scenic driveway, this first-time on the market property sits on just over 24 acres of pure North Carolina tranquility. Woods, open pasture, and sweeping southern views of the Shooting Creek Mountains create a setting that feels untouched, peaceful, and incredibly rare. As you arrive, stone steps lead you to a true craftsman-style home, designed to live with the land, not against it. Full wraparound covered porches, including a screened porch and open patios, invite you to slow down, breathe deep, and enjoy mountain mornings and quiet evenings. Step inside and you'll immediately feel the warmth. Custom wood interiors, tile and hardwood floors, solid wood cabinetry with built-in bookshelves, and a massive true masonry wood-burning fireplace anchor the home with character you simply can't replicate today. The layout is practical yet charming, flooded with natural light and framed by views in nearly every direction. New PEX plumbing adds peace of mind, while the low-maintenance exterior lets you focus on enjoying the land, not working on the house. Outside, the property truly shines. There's fenced pasture ready for animals, a barn for storage or livestock, fruit trees and ornamental plantings already established. And here's the big one: direct U.S. Forest Service frontage and access, giving you thousands of protected acres right next door. No HOA, no restrictions, just land you can use, explore, and make your own. Whether you're dreaming of a private retreat, small farm, or legacy property, this North Carolina craftsman offers privacy, views, and freedom that are nearly impossible to find together.